Hello design enthusiast. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your premier destination for all things home decor and design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the world of efficient, charming, and surprisingly spacious homes, compact prefab cabins. Imagine a cozy retreat nestled in nature, a serene backyard office, or a stylish guest house, all built with incredible speed and precision. If you're intrigued by flexible living, sustainable solutions, and smart design in a smaller package, then you're in the right place. We'll explore the true essence of compact prefab cabins, uncover the myriad benefits they offer, share expert tips on making their exteriors look spectacular, and dive into the best design styles that truly make them shine. Get ready to discover how less can genuinely be more. Compact prefab cabins refers to small, factory-built dwellings that are constructed in modules or panels off-site, then transported and assembled on a chosen location. The compact aspect highlights their smaller footprint, designed for efficiency, affordability, and often a reduced environmental impact. The prefabricated element signifies that a significant portion of the construction occurs in a controlled indoor environment, leading to consistent quality and faster build times. In essence, compact prefab cabins are about delivering thoughtfully designed, high-quality, and versatile small homes with efficiency and environmental consciousness at their core, providing smart solutions for contemporary living. Opting for a compact prefab cabin offers a compelling array of benefits that resonate with modern lifestyles, from embracing simplicity to achieving quicker homeownership. Firstly, a significant advantage is their affordability and faster construction timeline. Due to the streamlined factory production, reduced on-site labor, and bulk purchasing of materials, prefab cabins are generally more budget-friendly than traditionally built homes of similar size and quality. Moreover, the controlled construction environment eliminates weather delays, meaning your cabin can be delivered and assembled in a fraction of the time, allowing you to enjoy your new space much sooner. Secondly, these cabins boast superior quality control and durability. Building in a factory setting ensures consistent conditions, protecting materials from moisture and temperature fluctuations that can compromise quality in traditional builds. This precision leads to tighter seals, better insulation, and an overall more robust structure that can withstand various climates, often resulting in a more energy-efficient and long-lasting home. Thirdly, compact prefab cabins offer incredible design flexibility and versatility in placement. Far from being one-size-fits-all, manufacturers provide a wide range of customizable layouts, finishes, and exterior options to suit your personal style and needs. Their modular nature also allows them to be placed in diverse locations, from remote wilderness plots to urban backyards, making them perfect as primary residences, vacation rentals, guest houses, or even dedicated workspaces, adapting to almost any vision. Finally, they represent a highly sustainable and eco-conscious housing choice. Many prefab cabin manufacturers prioritize environmentally friendly building practices, including minimizing construction waste, utilizing recycled or renewable materials, and integrating energy-efficient features like high-performance insulation and windows. Their smaller footprint also inherently reduces energy consumption and resource use, contributing to a lower environmental impact and a greener way of living. The exterior of your compact prefab cabin is crucial for setting the tone, connecting it with its surroundings, and expressing its unique character. It's about blending style with durability. Start by choosing the right siding materials and colors that complement its compact form and the natural environment. Popular choices include natural wood siding like cedar or pine, which can be stained to a warm tone or left to weather to a soft gray. Alternatively, consider dark, modern cladding like black corrugated metal or dark fiber cement panels for a sleek, contemporary look that helps the cabin recede into a wooded backdrop. Crisp white or light gray siding can make a smaller cabin feel brighter and more expansive, particularly in open landscapes. The aim is to create visual texture and interest without overwhelming the compact structure. Next, strategically incorporate windows, doors, and a welcoming entrance. Large windows and glass sliding doors are essential for bringing in natural light and blurring the lines between the interior and the outdoors, making the cabin feel larger. Frame these openings with contrasting trim for a clean, modern edge. A well-designed front door, perhaps in a bold color or natural wood, can serve as a focal point. Add a small, inviting porch or deck that extends the living space outside, creating a seamless transition and a perfect spot for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Finally, enhance the exterior with thoughtful landscaping and subtle lighting. Use native, low-maintenance plants that blend with the local flora to soften the cabin's lines and integrate it into the landscape. Simple pathways made of gravel, stepping stones, or reclaimed wood can lead to the entrance. Outdoor lighting should be functional yet atmospheric. Think subtle uplights on textured walls, string lights on a porch, or discreet pathway lighting. A well-placed planter with vibrant greenery or flowers can also add a pop of color and a touch of warmth, completing a beautiful and harmonious exterior. Now, let's explore 10 outstanding examples that brilliantly showcase the versatility, charm, and innovative design of compact prefab cabins. Prepare to be inspired by these small but mighty homes. One, the modern minimalist box cabin with seamless indoor-outdoor flow. This stunning compact prefab cabin exemplifies modern minimalism with its crisp, clean lines and a simple rectangular form. The defining feature is a large, often floor-to-ceiling, glass wall or sliding door that completely opens the interior to the surrounding nature, creating an expansive feel despite its compact footprint. The exterior typically uses sleek, dark cladding or natural wood, allowing it to blend seamlessly into its environment. 2. The elevated Scandi modern cabin with panoramic deck and light wood. This charming design features a raised foundation, often on slender stilts, giving it a commanding view and a light touch impact on the land. The exterior is clad in beautiful, light-toned natural wood, creating a warm, inviting Scandinavian aesthetic. A generous, wraparound deck provides ample outdoor living space, perfect for soaking in panoramic views. 3. The rustic chic A-frame reimagined with lofted interior and striking glass. This updated A-frame cabin blends rustic charm with modern elements. Its iconic steeply pitched roof extends dramatically, often featuring a large triangular glass facade that floods the interior with light and frames the views. The exterior combines traditional wood shingles or panels with contemporary dark trim, creating a cozy yet architecturally striking silhouette. 4. The sleek black industrial cabin with covered patio and integrated lighting. This bold compact cabin embraces an industrial modern aesthetic with its striking black corrugated metal or dark fiber cement siding. A simple, flat or low-pitched roof extends to create a covered patio area, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor living. Integrated minimalist lighting subtly highlights the clean lines, giving it a sophisticated and almost mysterious presence. 5. The tiny home cabin with multifunctional porch and vertical wood siding. Designed for maximum efficiency in a small space, this prefab cabin features a charming, often elevated design with vertical wood siding in natural or light tones. A thoughtfully designed multifunctional porch, possibly with built-in seating or a swing, extends the living area, providing a versatile outdoor space for relaxation or entertaining. 6. The cozy forest retreat with overlapping volumes and large picture windows. This design uses a thoughtful arrangement of smaller, interconnected volumes to create distinct living zones within a compact footprint. The exterior combines various natural materials, like warm wood and dark metal, and is punctuated by large, strategically placed picture windows that frame specific views of the surrounding forest, creating intimate connections to nature. 7. The modern gabled cabin with integrated solar and expansive deck. This contemporary take on a traditional gabled cabin seamlessly integrates sustainable features. Its classic pitched roof provides ample surface area for flush-mounted solar panels, underscoring its off-grid capabilities. A large, uncluttered deck extends from the main living area, offering a vast space for outdoor enjoyment and enhancing the sense of openness. 8. The compact writer's studio or workspace with minimalist lines and lush greenery. Designed as a dedicated retreat for work or creativity, this compact prefab cabin features extremely clean, minimalist lines and often a single, dominant material like light wood or stark white panels. Large, unobstructed windows allow natural light to flood the interior, and the exterior is often softened by lush, low-maintenance landscaping that frames the cabin as a tranquil sanctuary. 9. The multi-purpose backyard cabin with dual entrances and contemporary siding. This versatile compact cabin is designed for functionality within a backyard setting, often serving as a guesthouse, office, or creative studio. It typically features a clean, contemporary exterior with simple siding in a neutral color. Its practicality is highlighted by multiple entrances or large glass doors that allow for flexible use and easy access to different zones. 10. The sloping roof cabin with dramatic overhangs and mountain views. Perfect for challenging terrains or maximizing views, this compact prefab cabin features a single, dramatically sloping roofline that often extends into deep overhangs. These overhangs provide shade and protection, while expansive windows capture breathtaking mountain or natural vistas. The design prioritizes a harmonious integration with the landscape, often using natural, earthy materials. As we've seen, compact prefab cabins are truly redefining what small living can be. They are not just about fitting into a small space, they are about thoughtful design, efficient living, and creating beautiful, functional homes that connect us more intimately with our environment. Whether you dream of a secluded escape or a versatile backyard addition, these cabins offer a compelling and stylish solution. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern compact prefabricated cabin house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.